now are you getting a image of what I'm trying to tell over here?
Yeah, yaar, Sarthak, this is cheating.
Oh, because it's a fruit, we can use it like for a particular thing only.
So if you want to inherit a few properties of the class company into the class employee, a strange group of variables.
Only one, bro. Only one I used.
Then why don't we use a slicer rope instead of cutter rope?
It's a sequence of characters.
Python is an easily learnable coding language because it has a fewer keywords and more free English language syntax. The main intention of this workshop was to enable anyone belonging to any age group start up quick with Python, discover new technologies which could help them make their dreams come true. Hands-on experience were given to all the participants in this workshop to help them kickstart with their ideas.
As a collaborator, I could see huge amount of interest in the participants. It was also a big opportunity for me to build a strong experience in my career.
The main motto of this project was to enhance people with their Python skills and also things that's required for a basic programmer. Speaking about participants, there was a good active participation. They say knowledge doesn't have a learning age and people from all ages were taking part in this contest.
This workshop wasn't just about learning how to code. It was more about using your skills to create something really amazing, which I really loved.
And also there was a good outcome as well. I would like to thank each and everyone who were supportive to this, and also there was a better outcome. What we expected, things went beyond our expectations as well.
This experience was really something I needed to have. Thank you so much.
In a nutshell, this particular workshop was loaded with a lot of fun and is indeed a new experience for me.
My name is Princeton D'Souza and I participated in the PyChamp's 2021 online workshop.
My name is Samuel Raj. Today I am here to give a heartfelt thanks to Python workshop team.
I am Ashton Maria. I had been a part of the PyChamp workshop for 4 days.
The journey of 4 days was really brilliant.
I had a wonderful time at the PyChamp workshop.
I'm a beginner of Python.
I didn't know much about coding.
It was a great experience for me also.
And it was amazing.
I learned many things about coding.
It was fun to learn Python with Sarthak and his team.
Those 4 days were wonderful and exciting. Every day we learned a new concept. The concepts were very easy and understandable.
Sarthak and his team done a great job by doing this online workshop for the 4 days.
The lessons were interactive and very easy to understand.
I had fun doing all the assignments given by them.
The project brought out the creative side out of me.
And to be honest, the mentors taught us really well.
I have keen interest for coding now.
Thanks for the workshop. I enjoyed it a lot.
I really thank the PyChamp workshop.
I would like to thank the entire team for taking up this initiative.
And I congratulate you on making this workshop a complete success.